queens, welcome back to my channel. If you are one of my loyal subscribers, I am so happy to see you again. If you are new to my channel and this is your first time seeing my face, thank you so much for deciding to click this video. It means so much to me, and I hope that you will click the subscribe button below because I want to see you again. So let's just get into this unit. You know I'm giving you another wig review, and this is a really poppin'. So this is my beginner wig series, episode 3, and I'm giving you Lou by It's a Wig. So far in this series, I have done all wigs by It's a Wig hair company, and I am really impressed with this one that I'm wearing now. So this is called Lou. I have it in the color OS Turquoise Purple, and it is really stunning. So I'm just going to give you a close-up of the color. The color is bold but very subtle, and I really love the way that they did this. So this unit has no combs, just like the episode 1 and 2 units. First was Raven, and the second I did was Maxie. Both very impressive. This unit also no combs, only adjustable straps. I love the way that this hair feels. It's more like of a stiffness than a silky texture. It's kind of stiff. It came a little stiff, and I did comb it out, and then I just kind of like molded it with my fingers. But I'm very impressed by this wig. I've had no shedding, no tangling, and it's very cute. I'm definitely going to order a few more. I did see some really other bold colors. They don't list them on the tag, but there are a lot of bold colors for you to try. I see an OS blue lavender and a blue black that could be really popping. I have no cons about this hair. Like, I'm really gonna have to keep this one for myself because this is super cute. So I really don't have nothing else to say, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and give you that 360. Okay. Thank you so much for joining me once again. Make sure that you guys enter my wig giveaway. It is coming so soon. I'm so excited to bless 3 queens with some free wigs. All the details are in my Instagram. I will post it here. Make sure you go and follow me. Thank you guys for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video.